Hey guys, if you're tired of uploading every single video to all of your social media channels, this video is for you because I'll be showing you how you can upload a video with completed titles and descriptions just with the click of a button. So this automation will take you 10 minutes to implement and it's very cheap. This is the cheapest method that I have found so far. With only 15 euros a month, you can upload over 120 videos. So let's get started. We will need to set up our Google Sheets. So this will be the easiest part because what we will have to do is just make a Google Sheet, just copy my titles. And basically here you can just put your title and your description. And for the Google Drive file ID, what you have to do is you need to upload the videos in some sort of folder. And what you need to do is just press on share, copy link, and that's it. And you put the link in the Google Sheet. The user profile is blacked out because that will be unique to every single person inside the platform. And what is very important here to notice is that we need to put the status on pending because this way we will not upload a video twice. So when we have like 10, 20 videos, this will be changed from pending to done when the video is uploaded. So you don't even have to do that. Okay, and now that we have the Google Sheet set up, the next thing that we will need is to create an account. I will have a link down below where you can do that. And it's very simple. You just sign up and you go to manage users and you will add a new user and connect all of your social medias here. So you see that you have a bunch of them and you can connect all of them, and it's very simple. So after you just log in, like any Google login, you will go back to the N8N automation and we'll begin by making the Google Sheet. So what we need here is essentially getting the data. So we will set the filter status to pending because this way N8N will know which row to look for. And yeah, this is pretty straightforward. And we will need a very important node. This is the code node because this is a very important step to do, and make sure that you have the same naming convention as I use if you want to copy my exact setup for N8N, because what we will need to do is you will notice that when I click copy on the link, this cannot be used by default because this is for sharing. And what we will need to do, what this piece of code does, is basically extracts this part. This is the video ID for the Google Drive. So this, you can just copy the code. You do not need to make any changes to it. So this is the most important part where we do the actual request towards the platform. And this will be a post method using the API URL from the platform. This, by the way, this is present in their documentation. And a cool thing that you can do in N8N is press on this import curl. So you just press on this, you go here and you go to API keys and just click on copy for this one. And you copy it, you paste it, and you press on import. I will not be doing this because I already did that. And basically what it will do is it will configure this whole thing, so you do not need to type in manually this URL. The authorization here will be your API key, and so the only change that you need to make is based on what sort of platforms you're using. Okay, so here you see that I'm sending to the API request the title of the video, the user. This is the user name that you create. This has to be, this is case sensitive, so make sure that you do not make any typos, and this is the only thing that you need to change. So we will have the name platform. It's important to have these braces, and the name of the platform, so YouTube, because I will be uploading to YouTube. But if you want to upload it to TikTok as well, you just go here and press on add parameter, and you go up here, you press on copy, you paste it, and you just type in simply TikTok, and that's it. Now you just added an extra platform, so you see how simple everything is. Okay, but I will not be doing that because I'm not going to be wasting my credits on that. So what you will need to do is have this is the field where you map the video that you want to send to the platform. So the name will be video, and for the value you just see it on the left hand side that you have a drive file ID, and you just pop that in here. So, and the description, of course. So this is it. It's a very simple automation. And what this last node does is basically, this is just to make sure that the row gets updated. So basically, we map the Google Sheet row to, we map the columns to each other. So we select here title, because every video will have a different title, and we will check if the title is the same as in the beginning, then the status will be on done. So what this means is, if I have two titles here, and one is like this, my video, and the other one is my amazing video content, then this makes sure that you do not upload your video twice. So basically, if after I press the upload button, this will be changed to done. And if you have multiple videos, you just put them on pending, like so. And each time you want to upload a video, you just go back here and press on this execute workflow. And after you're done, this will be changed to the status of done, and you can just go ahead and rerun it as many times as you need to make sure you upload all your videos. So let's do the test. Okay, so you can see that the status has been changed to done. And let's see if the upload will appear here. Okay, so these are a couple of tests that I've done before, but you can see that this is uploading, so it's great, it's working. Okay guys, so this was it for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for tuning in, and see you on the next episode.